What happened to you, Chrissy? Let me see. Let me see.
That cat did it.
Prince.
Wow.
Prince, what did you do? You hormonal.
Way.
You hormonal kitty.
No, Chrissy, please just show it. Just show it. Or we're gonna make the cat do it again.
Let me see.
I will pull you in front
You
of
have three. It's three. Did you know that? He's
No,
like.
it's 4.
Oh, let me see. It's not just one scratch. It's like you can see his whole claw.
Look at that.
A ver, let me see.
Oh, Princey Wincy. Don't stare into his eyes. What if he attacks the camera?
That'd be funny. That'll be like funniest home videos. Yeah, you thought you were gonna get in trouble, huh, for scratching that white girl?
Hey!
Oh, it's okay, Princey Winky. We know you're Mexican. Yes. Come on, you gotta go to the bathroom, okay? Come on, is it okay if I pick you up? Is it okay if I pick you up?
I'm gonna smack him.
This is Princey.
I
attacked you. I attacked you.
You can't see his face, so it's freaking fur. You almost got my eye, huh?
Yeah.